Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Francisco, and today we've got something super useful to talk about. Ever found yourself in a situation where a document on your Android device gets corrupted and you just can't open it? Well, in today's video, it's going to be all about how you can easily fix those corrupted files using the Dr.Fone app. This is going to be straightforward and will save you a lot of stress down the road. So before moving ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right in. Now part 1, introducing the Dr.Fone app, your go-to file repair solution. Alright, now that we've set the stage, let's talk about the solution that's going to make fixing those corrupted files on your Android device a breeze. The tool we'll be using today is the Dr.Fone app, and trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to file repair. It is an all-in-one mobile toolkit designed to help you handle various file-related challenges on your Android device. Whether you're dealing with accidental data corruption or simply trying to recover damaged files, this app makes the process smooth and efficient. It supports a wide range of file types and offers robust repair tools to restore your important documents, multimedia, and more. When it comes to document repair, the Dr.Fone app shines bright. It's specifically built to handle corrupted Word files such as docs or doc, PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, and Excel files. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone who relies on their mobile device for work or personal document management. So simply upload the corrupted file, and the app uses advanced algorithms to restore it to its original format. Now, some additional repair features to explore include the photo repair. The app doesn't stop at documents. If you've ever had a memorable photo corrupted or partially lost, Dr.Fone app's photo repair tool can help. It works with most mobile image formats, restoring visual details like clarity and color integrity. Video repair. Videos are often more complex to repair, but the Dr.Fone app handles them with ease. Whether it's a favorite family memory or an important work clip, the app can restore the file so it plays smoothly without glitches or missing frames. Repair history. One of the standout features is the repair history log. This keeps track of all of your attempts, noting whether each repair was successful or not. It's an excellent way to stay organized, especially if you're working on multiple files at once. Part 2. How to repair files with Dr.Fone app, a step-by-step guide. Now that you know what the Dr.Fone app can do, let's move on to the most important part, how to use it. The process is fully straightforward, and the powerful AI makes the repair an absolute breeze. Plus, we will walk you through the step-by-step process in detail to ensure that you don't have to face a hitch. So first things first, getting started with file repair on Dr.Fone app. Before you begin repairing your files, you need to set up the app and to locate the file repair feature. Let's review these simple steps to get started. Install the Dr.Fone app from the Play Store and open it once installed. On the app's main screen, tap the blue AI Tools icon located in the center of the bottom toolbar. On the following screen, move to the Discover section and find File Repair to select it to proceed. Now you will be able to review the overview of common file corruption scenarios and supported formats. Number 2. Uploading and repairing your file. Now that you've accessed the file repair feature, it's time to upload the corrupted file and let the Dr.Fone app work its magic. The process is straightforward and ensures minimal hassle. Tap the plus add file button on the file repair screen. This will open the file manager on your Android device. Browse through the file manager and select the corrupt or damaged file that you want to repair. Once selected, the file will begin uploading automatically. After the upload is complete, the app will start the repair process immediately. During the repair, you'll see an option to press View Later. This allows the repair process to run in the background while you continue using your phone or app on your device. Number 3. Previewing and saving the repaired file. Once the file repair is complete, the Dr.Fone app makes it easy to check the results and save your restored file. Here's how to finalize that process. After the file repair process is finished, tap Save to store the repaired file in your desired location on your phone. Once saved, you'll see the option to preview the repaired file. Tap on it to review the results and ensure everything is restored correctly. If you're satisfied with the repair, tap Done to complete the process and exit the repair screen. Number 4. Managing repair history. The Dr.Fone app helps you stay organized by keeping track of all of your repairs. You can monitor ongoing processes, review past successes, and clean up records when needed. Let's see how you can manage your repair history effectively. Just select the file repair feature on the app. you'll find the repair history section, which organizes all your file repairs into 3 tabs. And so repairing displays files currently being repaired. Successful lists files that were repaired successfully, and failed shows files that couldn't be repaired. So to track the repair status, navigate to the appropriate tab. For successfully repaired files, you can press save to store them on your device, or tap preview to review the restored file. If you want to clean up old or unnecessary records, tap the edit symbol in the top right corner. Select the entries that you no longer need from either the successful or failed tabs and delete them. And alright, that's it for today's guide on how to repair your documents on Android using the Dr.Fone app. As you've seen, it's a straightforward and powerful tool that can handle everything from fixing corrupted files to keeping track of your repair history. Whether it's a Word document, PDF, and even multimedia files, the app has got you covered. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be struggling with file issues. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tips and tricks like this. So until next video.